In the fast-paced world of property management, efficiency is key. Meet Power PDF Filler, your new partner in streamlining operations. Say goodbye to the tedious task of manually filling out N1 rent increase forms for each unit. Power PDF Filler automates the process, saving you time and reducing errors. With just a few clicks, you can batch populate N1 forms with all the necessary details directly from Microsoft Excel. No more double entry, no more mistakes. Join the many property management companies who have revolutionized their workflow with Power PDF Filler. Reduce paperwork, save time, and focus on what you do best, managing properties. Ready to transform your rent increase process? Visit Microsoft AppSource website and start your free trial of Power PDF Filler today. Power PDF Filler, where efficiency meets excellence.